Good morning, Year 5. Okay, thank you for joining the live lesson. So just a quick reminder of the session today and your activity that you need to complete. There is your multiplication grid if you need to use that to support you. Remember we spoke about divisions, and sometimes that actually if we're doing a division, they don't always fit completely. We can't always split them equally, and we're going to have some remaining. Okay, that becomes our remainder. We looked at 7 divided by 3. We could get 2 in each group, but then we had this 1, okay, up here that was our remainder. So we record that by showing 2, remainder 1. We then went on to have a look at some of our bus stop methods, and actually we saw that it's no different, the method, but what is different is that we're just going to have our remainder at the end. So let's have a look at the next one on here. We've done these together, okay. This one here, we've got 5, so we're going to think of that question in our heads. How many 5s go into 6? I know there's 1 5 that goes into 6, and I'm going to have 1 remaining. So we've already got remainders in here, and we've already been using them. Now we're doing how many 5s in 15? There are 3, 5, 10, 15. Now we're going to move along. How many 5s in 6? Well, I know I can fit 1 5 in 6, and I'm going to have 1 remaining. Okay, and then our final one. How many 5s go into 12? Now I know that I can fit 2 5s into 12, which is 10, 5, 10. But I've got some remaining. Okay, so rather than carrying my remainder over to the next number, I'm just going to record it up here. Remainder 2. Okay, so all of your answers today are going to have in them somewhere, okay, or they will have a remainder. Okay, no different. The only difference is it's happening in the end column, and you're going to record it like this. So let's have a look at one more together. How many 3s in 3? 1. How many 3s in 9? 3. How many 3s in 3? 1. How many 3s in 5? Well, I know I can fit 1 whole lot of 3, and I'm going to have 2 remaining. Okay, so again, there's our remainder at the end, which is great. Then, okay, there are your questions. Have a go at these ones, and as an extension, look at these. Okay, we've got questions there, which you'll have to work out the answer, and then you're going to put them into the correct column. Have they got a remainder of 1, remainder of 2, remainder of 3? Now, Evelyn correctly pointed out to us that this column, remainder of 4, is going to be empty, because we know that if we're dividing into 4 groups, okay, if we've got 4, we'd have a whole new amount. So we can never, it will never be, okay, the same as or bigger than the number of groups we're dividing into. Remember, if you find this tricky, send me a message, and I'm going to organise some group work tomorrow so that we can sit down together over Zoom, have a look at it, and make sure everyone's happy with where we are, okay? So send me a message today. I'll let you know what time that's going to happen, and we can get that sorted tomorrow. Okay, thank you.